a set of VDE screwdrivers by King Tony, perfect for electricians and other professionals working with live wires. In addition to rubberized areas, each screwdriver handle has an ergonomic shape, making the work more comfortable and fatigue-free. A hole at the bottom of a handle allows for easy attachment to a safety system or convenient storage. Slim blade makes it easy to get to hardly accessible places. Anti-roll-off shape prevents tools from rolling away from your workspace. The set consists of 2 Phillips, 3 slotted, and 2 square head screwdrivers. All the screwdrivers are VDE certified and has been tested under the load of 10,000 volts and are approved for work with 1000 volts AC. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.